Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Gus from GusDigitalSolutions. So today it's a little bit of an advanced tutorial. Tutorial slash just going over my open code. My open code is OP. It's like really good. It's honestly it's better than Claude. It has combines a couple of agents. So let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, so yeah, this is my open code right now, and I have different modes for it. I have 6 MCP servers. Let's see what MCP servers I have. So right now, also like and subscribe if you like the video. So right now we have web search. So I was able to do web search. Context 7. So this took me a while to realize what it is. So context 7 would be if you wanted to connect it and you wanted to look at the most up-to-date information about the API, that's what you need context 7. The memory, I'll go over a little bit more about just like what this is. GitHub, of course. Fred Vault, that's, connected to the credentials. We got backup memory, file system, and sequential thinking. So this is all the ones that I use. I also use my open code, and I think I have like the Swarm plugin. Let me know if you guys want more in depth of how to get this far. This is, I don't even know what the formatters are, to be honest with you. There's some things that I do. So to get it to this point, there's a couple things I did. So I have here, I went to Kimmy.com. You get like Kimmy Claw if you wanted to. I also have like Minimax. So Minimax, I think it's like $150. It's pretty much, let me go ahead and look at Minimax. Max 2.5 high speed. So this is the models that I'm using. This is better than Claude pretty much. It has, I think it's like $150. You get, this isn't it. You can do it monthly here. So you do this one here, you could prompt it, basically unlimited. I mean, I think if you want to run it 24/7, it's like $1 an hour or something. But yeah, if you sign up for this one, I mean, you get 2,000 prompts every 5 hours, which is insane. So to hook it up, I literally just asked Claude Code, like, hey, Claude, could you download OpenCode? Okay. Then I got the subscription for Minimax. Then I had to ask it like a million times. It took a while. I'll probably do a video on it, but definitely worth it. If you know what you're doing, you're able to get in right away. That's pretty cool. Look, they're both giving like 3x the quota, which is nuts. Is now permanent. Wow, that's insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the referral links, if there is any, in the comments below and in the video. I am going to do a video on OpenClaw as well. So this one, it pretty much just does everything for you, which is nuts. So I'm going to go ahead and do a video on KimmyClaw as well, just showing you guys. But yeah, KimmyClaw, Kimmy is really good. It has a swarm. It's like a multi-agent. So what it's able to do is it's able to, so a lot of this stuff is not, you can't really find it out there because it's just very, very new. So we got Kimmy here with the agent swarm. Now, these are some of the things that I do. I also have like a lot of other stuff that I do as well, but mainly it's Kimmy and Minimax. Kimmy, you could do like a swarm. I think it's up to 100 agents at a time, which is nuts. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive into it. So my open code has my code and I think a swarm plugin in it. So this is kind of what it is. We have the shift tab here. We got debug mode. We got also, I also put like ChatGPT in the back here, really advanced. We get Prometheus. So always shift tab when you're starting out. You could say like, hey, can you look at my app ironlog.code and see if we can build, if we have or can build it in React Native. So it's funny, this just says here like Sycius on steroids is steering open code. So this is way quicker than Claude Code, so we're gonna see how far it is. Okay, so look, yeah, so check out the speed on this. So I'm also gonna say, do not, guys. So you can say, you definitely want to tell it like, hey, don't compromise anything, don't do anything stupid. Now it's looking at what React Native is what you want to do when you build the apps, because React Native, I think it's number one. It's just nice and easy. It works on Android and on the other one, the Android and iPhone. So this is kind of like the plan mode. So I'm gonna ask it like, can you double check GitHub and see if there is a React Native. Actually, we're gonna do this. We're gonna build a game with it, so that way you guys can see. So, can you build a game MVP real quick that I will play in Godot? Okay, we're gonna just build a game with it just to show you how awesome this is. So, we're gonna build a game in Godot, and it's gonna understand the Vive framework. What type of game? Alright, so we want it to be like a arcade style game. Use open source sprites, and just an MVP that works. That's what we're gonna say. So let's see. It's really quick. Like if you look at Claude, just look at the speed of Claude and just compare it here. So I go to Claude. Okay, let me just log in real quick. We're gonna compare the speed. So pick one and I'll research. Okay, so we're gonna just go like this. Okay, so we're gonna compare the game and everything. So like I said before, you have to do Shift Tab to enter plan mode before you're doing anything. So just trying to load Claude here. And for this one, I'm gonna say, can you develop a plan? Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna do Shift Tab this one here. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it the same prompt. So can you develop a plan to create a game in Godot? We are going to play it in mode. And we're going to say like, hey, use parallel agents to help you as many as possible, and make sure the game works without error after this. Okay, MVP, everything. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to give both of them the same prompt here. Copy paste, okay? So let's see how quick these go. So the left one's like, hey, we're gonna build the plan. So Prometheus is gonna go ahead and basically, develop the plan. You got Claude here. So we'll do like we'll go like here, like platform runner. We'll just pick platform runner. We're gonna do the same one, okay? And then upload to GitHub. All right, we're gonna upload both of them to GitHub after. So that's what we're doing here. I'm already at my limit, which is nothing. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that here. Let's see how fast it is. It's crazy. Claude just the limits, how quick it basically just dies out. So let's see, research, open source. Okay, yeah, it's doing research. So sometimes you do have to tell it like, hey, don't do this. So we're hitting a rate limit with something, can't generate. It's just gonna say, can you not? Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so let's get it. I had to hit Control X to get out of there. So we will go to Cepheus after the plan. I want to build a minimal game. Okay, so now it's consulting. So sometimes I have to tell it like, hey, it is 3/5, 2026, just so it knows. Make the plan and ultra work agents to complete this. Okay, so yeah, this is kind of like how do I say, like a Claude Code, but way better. I mean, Claude is still researching the the different things. The left one here is just crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and also link the Minimax and the Kimi links. I'm also gonna do a video on Kimi probably today just to help people set that up. Now, as you can see, Claude is just going through. So let's see what happens. This one is just crazy. So left hand is going in. It's consulting Metis for gap analysis on minimal auto run game scope, self review. Let's see what happens. So it's developing the plan. No tool calls yet. So let's see what happens. It's kind of stuck here, so we'll see if it works. You can say, oh, okay, it's already, we got the plan. I'll create a comprehensive plan. Okay, great. Yeah, so it's developing the plan. This one is still doing check Godot installation and setup, explore existing games. This is still doing that. This one's already doing generate the work plan, self-review, classify gaps, critical, minor, ambiguous. Please like and subscribe if you like the content as well. I appreciate it. It just helps the channel, helps us put it in front of people that need this, that are looking for this. I don't know anyone on YouTube that does this. All right, so it's identifying like with a different agent. So it has like an Oracle agent, which is like the librarian. Now let me analyze the gaps and generate a comprehensive plan. So it's going to do the camera behavior, difficulty model, control input method, audio scope, save and persistence. So the no level editor, story upgrades, online features, max 1 player, 2 to 3 obstacles, 1 collectible type, minimal UI only, and 1 export target. So it's going to go ahead and create the comprehensive plan with sensible defaults with any gaps. So let's go ahead and see what happens here. So right now we're at about 13 minutes. Let's see what it came up with so far. So, it did all the research. Wow. I don't know if you used a swarm or not. Probably not. This is nuts. There's like the art style and everything, which is pretty cool. What I'm going to say is, so now I'm going to switch to mode as soon as it's done, which is, I think it's beating Claude so far just by how much it did. It's crazy. So let's see how far it gets. So player auto run at fixed speed. Okay, so we're just going to keep going with Claude here. And then let's see, we're going to also say develop the plan for Cepheus to ultra work. Okay. And I just want to say, once you develop the plan, I want you to use parallel agents to complete as much as possible. Okay, so it's going to say, so it says continuing to build the plan with maximum parallelism for Cepheus ultra work execution. So far, let's see. So Claude is up to the second part now, and it's exploring project sculpture. I want to say this is starting fresh. So I gotta tell it, this is starting fresh. keep what we have. So I had another game I'm going to show you guys. It's called like Hollow Board or something. It's like a Dark Souls type of game. That's the one that it found. This one is just, let's actually tell it this is a new game. So we're just going to tell it, hey, it's a new game. And I just love like when I open code anything, it just replies right away. So right now I'm just like, remember to upload to GitHub there. Same with this one. Develop the plan for Cypheus. I'm kind of giving them the same prompt here. I'm just like, hey, build me this game. And then I'm like, all right, so then, you know, go ahead and execute it after with as many parallel agents as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the channel. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on. You know, we got Claude here. I think it's like $200 a month. We got, you know, OpenCode. I think it's like $150 a month with Minimax. It just gives you way more power. Kimmy's, I think 100 or something. You got cheaper plans too, but you don't get anything done with $20. You know what I mean? Like yeah, you could get something done, but then you're out of credits and you're like, what? You know what I mean? So let's see what happens. So I basically gave them the same prompt. I'm waiting for them to finish plan mode here. So let's see. So yeah, it's gonna do upload to GitHub after. This one is still exploring, plan, study the current status of the current project, which I don't even want to do the current status. I kind of just want to do the GitHub. Sorry, want to do the plan and then execute it. So let's see what happens here. So still in plan mode. This is just the process of making games. Godot is the language, as well as if you guys want the links to Kimmy and Minimax, those are just really good agents. I heard you could do local agents right now. That's really good, which I'll cover a video on probably. So let's see how far this got here. So this is just taking its time. This one, I don't know, it just feels like it's getting a lot farther. It's preparing the edit. I'm excited to show you guys the ultra work because that's just going to be insane. So yeah, it's called OpenCode. I'll put a link in the bio, as well as like there is a OpenCode plugin. So yeah, it's going to tell everything it's going to do. And this one is still going. I have enough context. Got it. Fresh project, parallel agents. Okay, so Claude's actually going in there. Make the plan for Cypheus. I really have a plan for something. I think I was already doing that. Okay, so it's implementing the platform runner MVP. So I gotta make sure I keep going here. Don't want to stop. And let's see what happens here. So we got here the plan with Claude. Oh, Claude is really good at plans. It's really insane. So we got here the game. So it's gonna be a platform MVP, and it's gonna be, we got the sprite, the hurt area, jump particles, ground container. We got a death zone, obstacles, coin. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. Yeah, so now it's going there. Let's see how far this one got here. And then I could also use parallel agents to do the task plan to Cypheus after. I think I really didn't want to shift tab to Cypheus, but let's go ahead and switch. Let's see what happens here. So OpenCode, building the game. Okay, it just had an error. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I had an error. Let's see if that stops the execution like we're doing. The Claude's already building it. Let's see what happens here. Right. Okay, it was already doing all this, I guess, in the background, which is crazy. Okay. Let's go ahead and switch. There might have been plan mode, I guess, to switch to Gemini. It has a million contacts, which is nuts, I think. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and actually start it now. So shift is to change. It's doing the critical, minor, ambiguous. Present summary with auto resolve, items and decisions needed. And I've just finished a self-review of the plan, okay? Okay, so I got a highly detailed plan, Q&A, ready for parallel execution. Alright, so it's going to use a last plan execute task. I didn't want it to use, I wanted to show you guys because it's crazy. So shift tab. Let's see, we got the plan is robust and covers the entire lifestyle from acquisition to deployment. The game fields and big was. Alright, so let's see what happens here. This one's already creating the main scene. Wow, it's already almost done. Okay, so present summary with auto resolve items and decision needed. I think it might be executing the actual task now. It's doing some calls. We'll find out in a moment here. And then let's see. So yeah, it's creating the directory. This isn't even its full power. So I have like pre and post hooks. It literally took me a long time. I'm a vibe coder, so I was like, hey, do research, up to date information. You always have to give it up to date. So you gotta say, hey, it's March 5th, 2026. And let's see, so it also has like a most review, so you can like debug stuff, review it, which is pretty cool. And I mean, this game's almost done. This one's still doing the plan. Let's see how far it gets here. I wanted to show you the side views mode, which is insane, but for whatever reason, it's already doing, it's creating the player scene. Okay, so they're both doing it, which is cool. So it's about the same time. That's pretty cool, but I didn't get to show you guys the ultra work. Because what I could do is I could just do something like ultra work or ultra parallel execute. That one's insane. That's what I did with Claude right here. I was like, hey, use parallel agents, and I think I said, hey, do it at time, use or like, hey, use as many parallel agents as possible. So Atlas is like the plan executor. You could go Prometheus to Atlas. Atlas will execute the plan for you. I recommend you could do Cepheus. So you could have Prometheus create the plan, go to Cepheus, and then have Cepheus do ultra work. And these are all like terms that you could just literally go in Claude Code and say, hey, I want to connect it to Minimax, my OpenCode. I want to install OpenCode. I want to install the latest version of Minimax 2.5 high speed. So it's saying start Cepheus work session from Prometheus plan. This one's already creating the main game scene, so we're gonna see how far it gets here. Create ground tile set collection. Ask user about high accuracy mode Mimos review. So it's cool, you could review it with Mimos. But yeah, like I said before, I'm not sure if I said it before. You want to do it. You want to be in plan mode when you're doing anything. 80% of the time, that's what you do. So Claude is something that you could get. It's I think $20 a month or like 200 for the Pro Plus plan. Pro Plus plan, you get like 20x credits. But right now, Kimmy and the other one, Minimax 2.5 high speed is insane. You could combine different models here. So this one's already executing. I didn't do the Cepheus, which I really wanted to show you guys, but let's see how far it gets. So this one's creating the main game scene. It's queued up. Okay, all right. So far we're about 20 minutes in to create this game. So let's see. I don't know if this one's doing the plan yet, or we're gonna find out right after here. I hit proceed. I always hit proceed here. This is testing the game. Seems like Claude Code is winning here, but I didn't do it properly, the OpenCode, so I'm probably gonna do another video on how to do that. Because I was supposed to be, like, I'm trying to do shift to Cepheus, but for some reason it doesn't let me shift tab or whatever. I'll figure that out later. I mean, it's already working in the background. Cepheus Junior. That's like another one that you could do. Okay. Oh, it still hasn't started to work. So it has started to work. It's a start work session from Prometheus. It did already 29 calls. Let's see how far it gets. Just waiting on it here. And if you guys don't want to wait, you can skip to the forward part of the video. Just wanted to show you how long it takes to build a game. And I wanted to show you a little bit about OpenCode, how I have it set up here. 30 calls, 31 calls. Let's see what happens. So it's going through. This one's almost done, so we're gonna have to see how each one, just go ahead and. Oh, I like that it does have the counter up here as well. So we got the counter for how much is charging. So remember, the mini max, you get 2,000 prompts for 5 hours, which is nuts. So I don't think that, like, saying that it's charging you this much, but I think the way it works, it's not charging you that much if you're on the minimax high speed plan. So let's see how far it gets here. And I'm going to do a Kimmy Claw video as well. Let's see. So right now it says present summary. It's doing the tool calls. And let's see how far it gets. This one's already doing task 8, testing the game in Godot, and presenting task 9, pushing the GitHub. This one's still in plan executor task mode. Set up parallax background layers. So let's see how far it gets. Can't wait to see just how far it gets here. Okay, so no strip errors. Okay, so this one's almost done. I'm gonna just push the local. I want to play the game open. Okay, so it looks like Claude has finished the game. Let's go ahead and start here. Oh, no, it's still not working. So let's go back. I don't know if it's done. Say the game doesn't load their start. Okay, so let's see. Still hasn't loaded. So we're gonna just X out of it and say, hey, it hasn't loaded yet. We're gonna see which one wins. So we're gonna say when I click on start, it doesn't load. So I'm gonna go back to plan mode here. That's what you want to do whenever you get stuck. I'm gonna do another video on OpenCode just because it doesn't give it justice. I feel like it didn't do it the right way. It's supposed to go from Prometheus to Cepheus, which I'm gonna show you. And it's supposed to, like, I don't want to click Control X because I'm gonna get, like, I guess the UI or something, I got stuck. But right now, it's creating the obstacle scenes. I'm also gonna tell it we are doing this game local. Open it up. There you are done. Okay, so right now I did /ultra think orchestrate. So I have this, it's checking the context. It's gonna go in there and just look at, like, context MD is a file that you could give it. You could set it up that way. I would just say, if you download Claude, you could just say, hey, you got to keep prompting it. It takes a long time, but it's creating the master plan, spawn 4 agents before working, monitor, merge, final output. And then from here, I'm going to troubleshoot it, integration with current tools. Now it's combining a couple things. So we got orchestrate mode, ultra parallel, .md, got the Vibe framework, and sequential thinking. That's the MCP server. That's really cool. Give you a little bit more here. So you got Claude, and I don't have Claude, I think, in the background. I think I have Minimax and Kimmy. I'll put the link in the video description here. Then you got the quality agent, speed agent, safety agent, research agent. And it's just crazy how many different steps it has, like safety agent, speed agent, quality, the scope. And let's see how far it gets. So yeah, this one, Still not going through, so I might have to see how far it gets. Let's see, so presenting summary. Let's see how far it gets. Let's see, so okay. I wonder if it got stuck. It might have gotten stuck, but we're gonna find out. No, it's still going. Yeah, implement obstacle spawning system, okay. It looks like Claude is winning so far, as long, with speed. Let's see what happens. So continuing the fix, I need to remove this and re-import. Create collectible coin. So Claude is winning, and I think Claude's winning just because I have it set up properly. Well, OpenCode seems to be, it can't speak for the future. We're gonna have to find out what happens here. And yeah, if you haven't liked and subscribed already, please like and subscribe. I want to show content for just the different things that you guys want to see. So it asks if you want to approve. I typically approve if, like, this is just a game, you want to be careful when you approve different things. So it's doing it now, a lot of different things. So Claude is really good at the plans. You could combine both of them if you wanted to, have one for OpenCode. It's like bugging out. It's like doing a lot of different things with a lot of parallel agents. It's using the other one that I made as a reference, so I don't know if you consider that cheating or not. Yes. Let's see what happens. Implement coin spawning. Let's put a open the game when it's done. See, I like how this is implement different tasks. It tells me what it's doing. Claude's just bugging out a little bit here. Let's see. So, do you want to proceed? Yes. All right. So Claude won on that one. I'm going to do another video though with another game. Okay. So I failed to run, so I'm going to tell it like, hey, failed to run. Let's see. I told it, hey, that failed to run there. Okay, so let's go to G.Go. This is kind of like, all right, so let's see. I guess it's editing it. I'm not sure. It's testing the gameplay and stuff, okay? Double cool has like double jump, gap survival. Now, like I said, you got to be careful with the tokens that it uses, just because it's going to take a lot of your tokens. That's just how Claude works. You know, this is on like the Pro Max plan, and it's already probably taking all the tokens. So we're going to see what happens here. And then the other one, it says create game manager. Let's sort of set up there. So we're going to just see what happens here. So, okay, so it's saving and stuff. All right, I got to keep going. I got to keep giving Claude the next thing here. It looks like Claude might win here. We're going to find out in a moment here. Oh yeah, and if you haven't checked out my rock video, please check it out. It's gonna be in my GusDigitalSolutions. If you could like and subscribe if you like the content. The content that you guys like the most, that's what I'm gonna build more on. Okay. All right, so that's it. It just falls off the screen. Okay, we gotta tell it like, hey, I'm falling off the screen here. So you gotta go back to plan mode, shift tab, and say, hey, I am falling off the screen here when I play it. Please fix. Okay, so this one is stuck still. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so just because it's stuck, I gotta go back in and just show you guys here. So I'm gonna see if we could beat Claude. Obviously, you know, there was a plan here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy all this and say, hey, this is where we're at. So I'm gonna copy all this here. Really crazy plan. This is already going a lot. I'm gonna exit out just because I feel like it's stuck. Okay, there we go. All right, so now that I'm back on here, I'm gonna say check the plan for this. Go to Cypheus after. And I'm just gonna copy all the stuff here. That's crazy how they put this. Cypheus is on steroids, steering OpenCode. Okay, so I just copied everything from the other one because I want to show you just how good it gets. Right now I do have like ChatGPT, Kimi, and Minimax. I'm gonna put the link in the bio here. If you guys get stuck, just message me, email me, gus@GusDigitalSolutions.com. I can help you guys. I also have a Discord as well, so it's considering QA and planning stages. So I'm gonna say we have files already. We were creating a new game. That's asking me. So create a new plan. Minimal autorunner, Windows. We're gonna do it public. It's fine. Or I'll do it private. Okay. We have an existing plan. We will also work with Cypheus. I'm really bad at spelling, so my fault with that. Now I think, let's see what happens. So it's gonna be in Godot. Okay. So it's creating the plan. Let's see if it's gonna be Claude. I'm not sure. We're gonna find out here. What is it doing in the background? Oh, it's thinking. So the user says we have files ready. Like check GitHub. And then also upload to, so we're gonna switch, we are going to switch to Cypheus Ultra work do this, develop the plan. Okay. We will Ultra work parallel agents do this to use Cypheus. Okay, yeah, that's what I told it. I told it, hey, develop the plan. We're gonna go ahead. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna say like, hey, there's a plan currently there, and we're gonna go ahead and we want to use the existing plan and make it better. Then we're gonna hand it off. Okay, so it's missing wave 1 task. I'm just gonna say minimal MVP that works, please. And let's see what happens here. So Claude should work. However, OpenCode, it seems like it's doing the plan. We're gonna see which one wins here. You know, we're about 45 minutes. This wasn't really about speed. I just wanted to show you like my OpenCode, how it's set up, how you guys could set it up with Kimi, Minimax. And I'll go ahead and put the link in the bio, in the video description here as well. It might pop up. So I'm waiting for the plan. And then Claude's still going through. It's reading the file, that's what it looks like. The game is launching and menu works progress. There was a user reports falling off the screen, which means the ground spawning or collision setup has an issue. Let me investigate. So the other one is, I guess it's preparing to write the plan. That's Prometheus plan builder with Kimi. I might have, you know, chat GPT in the background, not chat, but like GPT 5.2. I think that's the model I'm using. Kimi Max, Kimi's 2.5 right now. Also I have Mini Max 3.5, that's what I'm using. So let's see if we could develop the plan and which one's gonna win here. I wish I could see like what it's doing. I just have to set it up better. And then let's see what happens. So this is what it's doing. This is the full thing. So start auto work. Okay. So we have the final thing. We're gonna go to Cypheus here. Just gonna say start work. I'm gonna say ultra think. There we go. Yeah, so I have like, I'm gonna see if I could attach the MD and the ultra think parallel files that I have. So let's see what happens. So Claude's finishing up the plan here. Just gonna say, oh, it's still checking in. It's like the game is launching. I'm just gonna say, can you please fix? I guess it's stuck in like a Ralph loop. Ralph loop is when you want it working, you know, Claude overnight. I should do a video on Ralph loop, that way you guys are aware of it. And let's see what happens. So it's developing the game, 2D. It's Godot, that's the language. Oh, it has like the whole foundation, player, gameplay, wave 5. We did a lot already. Okay, so it's start the work session. So I think it's just starting. I Claude's still going through the plan, so we're gonna see how far it gets here with the plan. The game is launching. It still hasn't really updated from before. So sometimes Claude compacts. I think when you get to like 80% contacts. So this one wants to Atlas again for some reason. So I gotta go in there and fix it. It's supposed to use Cypheus. So it's reading the game manager here. We're gonna see which one wins. So, it wasn't working. I'm just gonna accept this. And we're just gonna see which one wins here. I used 95% of my limit already. I just started. Resets at 7 a.m. What time is it right now? It's like 11:38 a.m. Create credits. So like I said, it's the credit screen. So I want to know which one wins. I want the game to work. So we're going to see what happens here. It was doing a lot with the plan. It was, I have it like with Explore agents, Librarian agents as well. So it's consulting different ones. If complex, do not struggle alone, consult specialist. And then if I go up here, it did 33 tasks, game playable, jump, collect, die, restart. It has the wave 1, wave 2. And then it has, let's see what else it has here. So it has starts running in parallel, start the game, player runs, review all the files, and then the GitHub repo here, complete don't push, game run in parallel, and complete the game play after 5 minutes. Wow, I did all this. This is crazy. Check here. Windows, add in-game credits panel, scenarios, balance game fields, polish, export, GitHub, 6 parallel tasks, implement off-stream, cleanup, font the rules, implement restart functionality, stream over stream, create the HUD with score counter, and create manager for game scoring, implement collision detection, implement coin spawning, create coin collectible scene. Now I don't know if Claude got stuff here. Okay, so I think it just got, however, I gave it another part. That's what's going on. Let's see if that's what happens. So I'm just gonna figure out what's going on with Claude. Just gonna say refix it so it works. And this one I'm gonna say when you open it after it's playable and it works. So I'm gonna say if you open it after it's done, playable and works. And like I said before, you gotta switch to plan mode a bunch of the times. I can't wait to see just how it does here. I like how it has the background task. It tells me what its OpenCode is doing, which is pretty cool. Create exports, freeze it. this config. Let's see what else it was doing. It was doing balance gated field, implement restart functionality, creating obstacles, the ground, tile set. And we got the background, we got animated sprites to the animation, implements player run, jump fall mechanics. We got set the character body 2D. And then let's see if it's almost done here. So okay, so it's done the GitHub repo push. And let's see what happens. So right now we're about an hour in. So if you want to skip to this part of the video, you can. We're gonna see which one wins here. So still going with Claude. I'm like, hey, you know, Claude did a minimal one, which was cool, but it wasn't the best. And you know, we're trying to see which one's gonna build the game quickest. Now you could, you know, ask it to use, hey, look up GitHub open source sprites, and then you can use the sprites to build the game. Like, you know, sprites is like the art. So let's see. I'm on plan mode. You find out the plan first before I can enter. And we're gonna see how far Cypheus takes here. My bad if I don't have the right spelling, or you know, I see things incorrectly. My apologies. Okay, so this one is, so Claude's still winning, I think. We're gonna see. I mean, I'm not sure, you know, we don't know what's going on in the background. Good to hear the game is working, the previous fixes, the original plan. I want to... Alright, so it's here. I just had to go to the bathroom now. Okay, so still failing. So let's tell it like, hey, I'm gonna go back to plan mode, say, hey, the game is still failing, it loads, and the player falls off. I'm just gonna say, hey, develop a plan so the game works. You know what I mean? Come on, Claude. Now I need to the initial state here. Yeah, so I just had it skipped about three to 5 minutes here. Just wanted to, I just had to use the bathroom. So the game's running in your browser. Oh, it's running in my browser already. And you open the game. I can't play it. Okay, so let's see what wins. I guess he did it in the browser, maybe. Let's go find out. I didn't say G dot, so maybe that's 5. So I'm gonna say maybe still work be playable at work. You know, yeah, it's very specific. We gotta be like, hey, do this. That's so far about an hour in. Takes a lot of doing. We got something going on, but it's not what we want fully yet. I mean, Claude's winning, but I'm not sure how far OpenCode got, so we're gonna find out here. So we have G dot here. We already got that installed. Just finish the game, playable, see that works. Okay, so find out where G dot is. Let me try. We already have that installed. Like don't install, we have it installed. It's a different location. Like check C drive. No. They have like a C drive and D drive. All right, so I'm just gonna do ultra work loop here and open the game and cheat out. Okay, so we're gonna see how far it gets here. So far I was just running these two. The game for Claude is not the best. I mean, Claude beat it in developing the game, so the speed of that is unmatched so far. I'm gonna fix. I think OpenCode has like some issue in the back end. That's the one thing. Like OpenCode's really good. Let's see. User's frustrated. Yeah, just finish create the game, verify it works. Okay, so it's figuring out what's wrong. And okay, so it's doing the game logic. I can't wait to see which one wins. Looks like Claude might win. It's almost done. I don't know if OpenCode's gonna win or Claude's gonna win. We're gonna find out here. Uh-oh, this one's about to be done. Let's see. Uh-oh, what is gonna be done first? there. Okay, so I think we're just gonna copy and paste. Alright, so it says it's done. Okay. Alright, so it says it's done. That's funny. Not really. Oh, that's it? Oh man, that wasn't the best game. Okay. I'm not dying, or I just gotta keep pressing the space bar. That's funny. It wasn't really good. Okay, so I think this is the other game. It didn't play it executable. So I'm just gonna say the game doesn't make sense. Make it executable. And so I'm gonna say the game didn't open up properly. Okay, so it says it's complete. Open it up so it's playable. Okay, so. Or we might be getting confused. We're doing a new game. So I think it got confused. It tried like taking, I think this one. Just showing you and use as the engine and where Godot is. Finish the game that you were. Okay, so this one's still going through. Okay, so it's creating a simple scene. Sometimes simple is better, you know what I mean, for whatever reason. Okay, so 16 out of those are fails. I definitely think OpenCode is better. Comment below what you guys think. This game is not running. All I gotta do is hit space and it keeps going. Where's the coins? That's funny. So let's see what happens. So it's fixing the game.gd. And then, yeah, like and subscribe if you like the content. Yeah, for some reason it just keeps open thinking this, but it's not. This is not the game. Make the game executable. Let me play it. So this is the thing with vibe coding. You gotta go back and forth. You know, AI is very smart at the same time. It's very stupid. So you gotta go back and forth, and this is kind of like just the back and forth, the struggle that you go through with just AI. You gotta be careful. I don't know if I think it might have. I don't know if it crashed. I wonder which one's gonna win. Like, yeah, this just goes to the engine. Oh, okay, so the other one did it already. Let's see how far it got. So space. Oh man, okay. I mean, it did it in the web browser, which is pretty cool, but okay. Okay. Oh man, it's actually pretty cool though. I mean, it is what it is. It created a way better game than Godot. Still pretty cool. Cool game though. hit double jump. Oh man, messed me up. Pretty cool. The only thing is that was a web HTML game, I think. I'm not 100% sure. So I'm gonna say we wanted to do it in Godot. Is this what it is? I want to do a Godot. That's what I'm calling it Godot for whatever reason. Like I said, I'm just gonna build an HTML version. I don't care what you think. No, this is the HTML, non-HTML. We want Godot. Like that's literally what we want. So like, hey, do Godot. You know what I mean? I know this is a Godot, not HTML. Okay, all right. Well, wow, OpenCode beat it right away. That was it took a little bit of time, took about an hour, but it looks like OpenCode is the winner. So wow, yeah, that was pretty good. I'm gonna say OpenCode beat it. You guys let me know what you think. If you think OpenCode beat Claude there, I mean, I think it did. It like Claude just took forever. So it says it's gonna. I'm gonna see what happens with Claude first, real quick. We're gonna open up Claude. I'm gonna extend it a little bit more. What we're gonna do is open up Claude. And I'm gonna do something interesting here. So okay. Okay, Claude got a little bit. Oh man, this is cool. Oh man, okay. Alright. Alright, not bad, not bad, not bad. Oh, okay. This is actually pretty cool. It's funny how like it just goes up and down. Okay, so we're gonna go bang. Got the double jump. Okay. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Alright. So now I'm gonna take it a little step further here. I'm gonna go in here and I'm just take everything. I'm gonna go to OpenCode and I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say I want you to build a plan that would make this game way better and way more visually appealing. Because my eyes were hurting just because of just how it looked. That was like terrible how it looked. So let's see, it's loading. Yeah, I just want to take it one step further. I'm gonna see if we use OpenCode with Claude and see how far the limit is. You know what I mean? The sky's the limit. I mean, you can always optimize things better, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm pretty sure you'll learn something. You know what I mean? This is a lot, so I'm gonna develop a plan just to make it better. And just show you guys a little bit more. Okay, so it's checking it out. It's checking out what Claude did so far. Yeah, I might just do an HTML game after because of that. Yeah, so develop a plan. I want you to develop a that makes the game work better, way more appealing. We will use Cypherless to finish it with ultra work. Use GitHub open source rights, verified, trusted. So my bad for the spelling here, but I wanted to give a little bit more content. So I'm gonna do a plan here. We're gonna see how far it gets. So the thing with Claude, like you saw, I ran out of credits pretty much, but hey, it did okay, did decent for the game. I just want to show you, like for OpenCode, you could just keep going, It's use Minimax 2.5. I'll put a link in the video description, as well as Kimi. I'm gonna go ahead and do a Kimi OpenCode video as well to show you how to do that. And I'm gonna show you just real quick, like it's developing the plan. This is Vibe Coding 101, right? Or like advanced / 101, just showing you what's capable of this. So it's developing the plan. Let's see what happens. Let's take some time. So let's see. What was it saying before? Oh, okay, so now it's writing the plan. Okay, cool. Okay, so we could just copy this here, and we're gonna go ahead and go to Cypress, and then I'm gonna do ultra work loop. And let me know if you need help setting up OpenCode, or just comment below if you want help with this, how to set it up. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put different links to the different things in the video here, like Minimax 2.5 high speed, which is crazy. Also Kimi. I'm gonna go ahead and do a Kimi video, Kimi Claude after this. I think Kimi Claude is easier to set up than OpenCode, so we're gonna find out. And I just wanted to extend the video a little bit longer just to show you. I mean, it looks like OpenCode 1, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna have it complete Claude's, like what Claude did, and then from there, let's see what happens. Okay, so it's updating it. Continue with the plan. It just did like 20 things in the background, which is pretty crazy. Okay, let me add the audio commit message to match the format. It's doing wave 5. I mean, it already did like 5 waves, I think, which is crazy. Okay, plan updated. Yeah, I'm just gonna say, yeah, finish. Yeah. Just gonna say minimal. Minimal upgrade. You know what I mean? Finish the game. It already has this. The game already seems functional. I'm just gonna say make the game more visually appealing. Upgrade game. Okay, so while the game is running, I just wanted it to make the game more appealing. You could use Claude Code and OpenCode if you wanted to. Claude Code could be the planning mode. Then you go to Prometheus if you want to make the plan even better, which is crazy. Claude is really good with plans, so definitely something to keep in mind. Now let me make the obstacles and coins more colorful too. Pretty cool. Let me check the spike scene and update it to have a more colorful appearance. Interesting. So yeah, there was like something about the spike scene. I see obstacles that are created dynamically with Polygon 2D visuals. The obstacle, okay, so it's going in there and fixing up the obstacles and things that it was missing. Let's see what happens. So let me update Crate to be more colorful. Just want to give it a little polish with OpenCode, you know what I mean? We got the game running, so now I want to just polish it off. I mean, I think OpenCode is better. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. It's just Claude, you run out of credits, so why pay the extra money when you just get Minimax and run parallel swarms and stuff to just make things a lot better. So let's see here, it's finishing. Now let me update the player to be more visual with a brighter color. It's doing some type of glowing effect here. glow effect behind the person here. So, and if you learned anything in this video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Just trying to build awareness for AI, just helping out people whatever way I can. And let's see what happens. So it's updating the main menu. Okay, it's adding a lot of code. Now I could go like this for hours if I wanted to. I could just do the ultra loop. Alright, work completed. We're gonna check out the game here. We're like, hey, can you open the game? Play it. Okay, great. Alright, cool. Okay. I mean, I don't know, it looks kind of the same. No, it looks a little better. It looks a little better. Oh man, okay. Oh, that's hard. I got a little better. I'm just giving you what you could do. I guess like you've seen, OpenCode is way better. If you do the Ralph loop, you could literally, like I have it set up with 100 iterations, so it's just gonna keep going, keep making the game better all night long if I wanted to, or if it's about this limit. You want, guardrails and things like that, but I'm gonna end the video here. Like, please like and subscribe if you like the content. I appreciate it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on.